Before you watch this video, make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and leave a comment down below. I also have a $500 makeup giveaway going on right now, so I will leave that down below as well so you don't miss out on that great giveaway. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing another mystery box. This is a $50 mystery box from Bakerie. I only tried, I want to say like a lipstick. I can't remember really trying that much from the brand that I can recall. So, these tend to sell out really quickly. So a lot of you guys told me that they had them back in and I got it like ASAP, but it took a while to come in. It literally just came in. So I'm so excited to see what is in here and see if it's worth the $50 or not. So if you want to see what's in here and my thoughts of this mystery box, then keep on watching. Alright, so I lost my knife. I have no idea what happened to my knife. So I have to use these scissors. Let me cut the little tape here. Alright, so I'm going to open her up. So that's what it says right here. Bakerie. And then when you open her up, this is what it says. It says, so much cake, so little time. So that's what it looks like when you open her up. Let me take some of this out. So it's a little sneak peek, not too much, which you probably didn't see anything. All right, so I don't see a card. Yeah, there is a little card here that says introducing mini moments. So I guess these little thingy majiggies are right there that you can get. All right, and it has like the best sellers. So I'm going to pull out the first thing that I see, and this was right here on top. So that's pretty that you get this. I heard like the setting powder that looks like flowers really good. There are blushes. I haven't tried any eyeshadow palettes. I can't get this thing open. So like I said, I'm really excited to try different products from their brand. Why can I not open this? Broke me out in a sweat. I literally just cut it instead. Alright, so we have, alright, it looks like these mini lipsticks right here. I love bullet lipsticks, and I'm glad, I'd rather get tiny lipsticks and get more colors than, you know, like one big lipstick and then I don't like the colors. So that's good. I get to try some of their lipsticks, if that's what they are. I think they are. Alright, so you get 5 in here, and let's see. Yeah, they are the mini lipsticks right here. So I can't really read. I believe this says Cinnamon Churro, and this is a gorgeous color. And so you do get a decent size because it does take a while to go through lipsticks. And there you go. This is more like a reddish color. The next one I think says Sunrise Shuffle. And let's see. All right, so there we have that. This is like a nude color. That's really, really pretty. So we have that. This one says Raspberries. Let's see. It's a pretty color right there too. So we have 2 more. This says Picnic on Peachtree. I had to get my glasses on to read that. Ugh, this is like an orangey color. I don't know if I would reach for like all these colors. For me, I like more of like the burgundy, like brownish colors. And this is Sorbet on Sunday, and I am filming on a Sunday. Alright, so these are more of like the red tones right there. Like I said, I don't know how much I'll reach for them, but they feel very creamy, and I'm glad I get to try them. Alright, so the next thing is this brush here. This is like a little packing brush. I'm not going to take this out because I have a lot of brushes like this that I really don't use because I'm a fingerer. So when I do my shimmer shades, I use my finger. So I'll probably put this in a future giveaway. I'm glad that they put in brushes. Alright, and 3 more things that I'm not very happy at all. Wait till you see what's in here. Like, I am very disappointed in this box, what I'm saying. Alright, so we have a liquid lipstick. This is a metallic shade, and you pull it out like that. And this is the Lip Whip, and it is in the shade Rose Pose, I think it says. So I don't tend to use metallics, but I do want to try the formula. That's pretty, actually. That's what I wish these lipstick shades were, like colors like this. So I'll try it, you know, and see if I like it. Like, 'cause I don't really go for metallics, but I know that's what mystery boxes are for. So another lipstick. This is a lip gloss, which I do enjoy. Well, I don't know about this, but I do like lip glosses. I wear lip glosses every day. All right, and so that's what it looks like. It's this shade. Let's see. I cannot read it. It says Queen something, so let's just see. And it is just like a clear lip gloss. It has kind of like a tan kind of color to it, like a peachy, you know, but I think when you put it on your lips, you really won't be able to tell. And last but not least is another lipstick. So I didn't get any eyeshadows, I didn't get any blushes, any highlights, any setting powders. I got all lipstick and a packing brush, not even a blending brush. All right, so this is a liquid cream lipstick. I think the packaging is really, really pretty. Like, I really think it's very unique. And let's see what shade this is. Yeah, I can't read what the shades are. I'll try to look it up when I'm editing, but let's see. Is this another? Looks like a lip gloss. But it says cream liquid lipstick. But it kind of looks like a lip gloss. I don't know. I'd have to try it on. Alright. So, let me turn this. That is everything that I got in the box. So, let's recap really quick what I got. So, I got 3 lipsticks. Okay, they're full size, and I think they're like $20 a piece. So the value's there. Like, if that's the truth, then this is $60, and I paid $50 for the box. So I got my money back. I got a lot of sample bullet lipsticks, which I rather get. I just don't go for these type of colors too often, but I'll mix them and make them work. And then we have this packing brush. I would prefer maybe a blending brush or a bigger brush, but that is the chance that you take with mystery boxes. So I don't know if these were products that just didn't sell. I have watched unboxings before, and they got like the 4-pan blushes and eyeshadows and bronzers. So it's like, this is probably one of the worst mystery boxes that, for me, in my opinion, that I'm just like not happy with. I'm really not. I would have been happy with just like at least one blush. I mean, it's like a lipstick mystery box. I don't know. I wouldn't have got it if I knew it was going to be all lipsticks. I don't know. But anyway, that is everything that we got in the box. Let me know if you picked this up. Because of this, I don't think I'll ever purchase any more of their mystery boxes. I just won't. I won't take that chance again. But I'm glad that I did take the chance to see what's in here. I'm just not very happy. Yeah, so let me know. Did you watch any unboxings? Did they get all lipsticks? Let me know. After this video, I'm going to go look and see if anybody got it recently and what did they get. I don't know. I'm very dissatisfied. But like I said, that's what part of mystery boxes. You never know what you're going to get. I think Monday, the Charlotte Tilbury mystery box, that was $200. And I blame you guys, because you guys were tagging me and messaging me, and I'm like, oh, the FOMO. So anyway, at least that's what I tell my husband. But yeah, so that will be, my boxycharm is coming tomorrow. The premium will be coming Tuesday. And so I will have videos coming. So make sure that you put that post notification bell on so you can see all of my future videos. I have a giveaway going on right now, a $500 makeup giveaway. I will leave that down below. But if you like this video, or you feel sorry for me, please give this video a like. It really does help me out. It helps YouTube push me out in the analytics. And if you enjoy mystery boxes, subscription boxes, beauty, makeup, hauls, anything you can think of, then please consider subscribing to our channel. We are on the road to 50K, so I can't wait. We are so close. Well, not so close, but it's coming. And so I'm so excited, and I would love for you to join our family. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to put that post notification bell on, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. But I really don't know, because New Jersey's weather has been a mess. It has been raining and cloudy. I don't know what's going on. All right, guys, I'm done complaining. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.